Explaining the pre-installed Whiteboard application. The Whiteboard application is available here. Press the icon to open the app. This is a pen. The pen can be changed in color and adjusted in thickness. It includes a brush pen that senses the writing area. Additionally, it can function as a highlighter, and we can adjust the transparency level. This is an AI pen with OCR functionality. We can select words or shapes, and it recognizes handwriting, converting it to digital content. From digital characters, you can search for images which can be easily inserted into the whiteboard. You can also change colors, copy, and paste. This is an AI pen for shapes. Handwritten shapes are digitally converted this way. From here, we can insert shapes into the whiteboard. We can also choose fill or no fill. Next is the select function. When we select an object, we can copy, paste, rotate, or delete it. We can also change the object's color. This is the eraser tool. We have 3 types of erasers available. Partial eraser. This erases only the traced area. Object eraser. This erases or deletes the touched object. Clear all. This deletes all objects on the page. The application also supports a palm eraser. There is an undo function as well as a redo option. Other useful features can be accessed from here. You can insert content from this menu, and there are various useful tools on the whiteboard. You can take screenshots and utilize split screen functionality. It includes rulers, protractors, and a compass, which can be used as supporting tools. These tools can help you draw lines, circles, and measure angles. Google and YouTube are available on the whiteboard, so you don't need to close the app to search quickly, saving you time. There is also a sticky note feature, which is a great tool for team discussions. You can write ideas or topics on the sticky notes and keep them on the board. Resizing as well as copy and paste are of course possible. You can insert images, videos, and even PDFs as images. Simply select a file saved in IWB storage for easy insertion. The split screen function can divide the whiteboard into 2 or 3 sections. This whiteboard offers a variety of background templates. Please choose a background that suits your usage scenario. You can add pages here with a maximum of 299 pages. Page navigation can be opened by page number. You can also open a page, select multiple pages, and export or save them. Files can be saved as image files or PDFs. The exported data can also be read using a QR code and displayed on your smartphone. QR code reading can also be encrypted, requiring a password to view it. Data can be saved to Google Drive or the device's storage, or attached to Gmail. Once downloaded, the data will be saved to the device's storage. Let's try opening it. You can also save it in IWB format for later editing. Select the page you want to save and give it a name.